Tesla has been talking about robots for years, but now it feels different. The company is no longer hinting at a future idea. It is clearly pushing forward with a serious plan to build a humanoid robot that could become part of everyday life. The recent post about Optimus being the biggest product ever made is not just marketing. It reflects a shift in how Tesla sees its future, moving beyond electric vehicles into something much bigger. Optimus is designed as a general-purpose humanoid robot, which means it is not limited to one task. Instead of being built for a single job like most industrial robots today, Tesla wants this machine to handle a wide range of work. That includes repetitive factory tasks, warehouse operations, and eventually even helping in homes. The goal is to create something that can step into environments already built for humans without needing everything to be redesigned. What makes this especially interesting is how Tesla plans to power it. The robot is expected to use the same artificial intelligence foundation that the company has been developing for its full self-driving system. That means cameras, neural networks, and real-world data training will all play a role. In simple terms, Tesla is trying to teach a robot to see and understand the world the way a human does, then act on it. The bigger story here is scale. Tesla is not thinking about a few thousand units. The vision is millions of robots produced every year. If that actually happens, it could change how industries operate. Labor shortages could become less of a problem, production costs could drop, and companies could operate around the clock without the same limitations they face today. At the same time, this is not something that will happen overnight. There are still major challenges to solve. Human hands are incredibly complex, and getting a robot to match that level of precision is extremely difficult. Safety is another concern, especially if these machines are going to work alongside people. Then there is the cost. For Optimus to succeed, it has to be affordable enough for businesses and eventually consumers. What stands out most is Tesla's urgency. The company is openly saying it wants to move into high-volume production as fast as possible. That kind of language usually means internal confidence is growing. It also explains why Tesla is actively hiring engineers, artificial intelligence specialists, and manufacturing experts to push development forward. If Tesla can deliver on even part of this vision, the impact could go far beyond the automotive world. A robot that can perform useful work at scale could reshape manufacturing, logistics, and even daily life. It is a bold move, and like many things Tesla has attempted before, it sits somewhere between ambitious and disruptive. The difference now is that the company appears ready to turn that ambition into something real.